Hi there, everybody. Welcome back. Marybeth Angelelli here, SMS Phone Leads. Today, I'm going to take you inside of my back office for SMS Phone Leads and show you around, show you the features that you can access when you become a member of SMS Phone Leads and use this wonderful lead generation tool to help you to build any home-based business. I've been using this SMS Phone Leads all year. This year in 2020, I've had great results. I'm a very happy customer, okay? I've mostly been using it for TextBot AI, and it has served me very, very well. So I'm going to take you inside here, show you around a little bit. This is really easy to use, easy to set up. It comes with complete step-by-step instructions as well as complete step-by-step video training tutorials to show you exactly what to do and how to set this up very, very easily. Okay, so right here is the back office, the dashboard, and you set your profile up here with your information. Okay, and then you dive right into the training next once your profile is set up, and the profile is set up so that you can get paid. So you go into training, and this is the Fast Start Guide right here. So you click on that, and all you do is just follow this step by step, okay? Here's step one, to get everything set up and activated. You connect your Stripe. It shows you how to do that. You add your credits here for your ringless and for your SMS text marketing campaigns. You activate your SMS blaster right here, activate your ringless right here. Okay, so you have two wonderful tools that you can use, two ways that you can target these wonderful mobile leads, okay, through text message marketing and through ringless voice marketing. All right, and then you come down here and you watch this 38-minute overview training that shows you all the details of this powerful system called SMS Phone Leads. Okay, so you definitely want to watch that, and everything is mapped out here really, really nice and explained very well. Okay, here's the primary points mentioned and quick connect links to SMS voice, the interactive phone funnel, 100% commissions, ringless, SMS blaster. So you definitely want to go through all of this. And then step 3 is to build 2 income streams instead of 1. So you definitely want to watch this to find out how you can promote this and create an additional income stream, okay, with SMS Phone Leads. So that's that. And then, you can access your bonuses right here. There's some really wonderful bonuses that you can go through and review, all right? And you can access your SMPL marketing, okay? And if you want to use these, they have pre-written swipes for banners, social media, classified ads, text message ads, and email swipes. And this is for SMS Phone Leads. So it's real easy. You just copy, paste, and deploy, all ready to go. For example, you want to send out text message campaigns for SMS Phone Leads. They're all right here. The messages are here. You literally just copy and paste these. They're already set up and done for you, and these are very effective and they work very, very well. Okay, so there is all of that, and then you go into product access, and that's where you can access these simple, powerful lead generation tools. Okay, so you click here, your interactive phone funnel is here, and you just plug in the information, okay, to set that up. And then you go here and you buy your credits, because you need credits in order to initiate the campaigns for SMS and for ringless, okay? And it's real easy. You just, choose, put your information, order this right online with your credit card, and plug in, the quantity that you want right here. And, you can get for 2,500 credits, $40, very, very cost efficient. And you can go all the way up to 50,000 credits, okay? Have lots and lots of fun with this. You can buy, multiple phone numbers if you want to expand on this for multiple businesses, and you do that right here, okay? Choose how many phone numbers you want. Plug in your desired area code, fill this out and make your payment. Okay, And then ringless software, you can purchase this. This is an upgrade. You want to do your ringless campaigns, you come right in here. Step one is to name your campaign. Make sure that you buy your credits right here. You confirm your available credits. Okay, so you have enough of credits for your campaign. This is where you upload your audio file right here. Okay, click on this little button to upload it. And this is where you're going to upload your list of mobile numbers, okay, right here. And you just simply drag the CSV file here and they're automatically instantly uploaded right here. And then you just go through like two simple confirmation steps right here to submit your voice messaging system campaign to be sent. And then it gets sent off, okay? So that's really, really easy. Now, this is something that I use every single day and I just absolutely love it. I just completed about 30 minutes ago, because you can only do this up till I believe, well, no, actually you could do it up till 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern, I believe. You can, like right now, I just recently upgraded so I can send out 1,000 text messages a day. The starter package is 200, and then they have upgrade versions. And this has been going really, really well for me. I've largely been using this for TextBot AI. Recently, I upgraded, so now I'm able to reach even more people with the power of SMS text message mobile marketing. Okay, so I send out 1,000 per day. That's the way my system now is set up with the upgrade. So as you see here, you can only send out one broadcast a day. Since I already sent it out, that's why I'm getting that message. So coming back in here tomorrow, I'll be able to reach another 1,000 mobile leads. Okay. And then there is Freedom Builders. And this is something that is a coaching program that it's optional. You can participate in and you can check all that out. Okay. They have weekly coaching. So that is really wonderful, a wonderful option. And get your leads now. This is where you can go in, and right now they have this customized for 3 very popular programs. Okay, you can choose one of these if you're a member, and they will customize a marketing campaign for you. So I chose to go with this one for right now for Exodus Elite, but as you can see, they do have program number 1, which is TextBot. And since I am a member of this top tier program, I decided to go ahead and expand my horizons, and they're in the process of setting this up for me with email swipes and text messages. Since I already upgraded for my SMS Blaster, largely for TextBot, I have that covered. So I love the system so much, I'm going to expand into another income stream. And that's the advantage of having SMS phone leads. And if you are involved in multiple income streams, folks, then you can utilize this for multiple income streams. Okay, and then of course there's Easy One Up. So brand new marketing systems for some of the hottest BizOp programs online. And this is available to the active SMS Blaster customers. Since I'm one of those, I'm able to have them set up and execute one of these for me. So I'll be getting that underway here very, very soon. But as you can see, if you are looking at TextBot, if you are a member of TextBot, you can pick up SMS phone leads and they will customize a campaign for you so that you can, expand your marketing methods for TextBot. Okay, so we have TextBot, Exodus Elite, and Easy One Up. Okay, so we've got that. And that is that. And then we have our system messages here that you can go in and check and track and all that good stuff when people respond back to you through your active campaigns. And then we have picks and shovels. This is where you can go in and buy mobile leads for your marketing campaigns, for your ringless or whatever you want to use this for. Limited supply of fresh mobile leads available each week. Okay, and these lead packages are priced at or below wholesale. They save you lots of money. These are really good quality leads. And all lead files are fresh. They're 7 to 10 days old. Files come with full data, which include name, email, address, and cell phone number. And they're perfect for your next ringless voicemail campaign. Okay, so this is what they are best utilized for. So you can go in here and order up as you need them. Okay, and make your payment. Then they're delivered to you and they're in a CSV file format. Alrighty, so that is that. And then basically you go back here And what this comes with is you want to go ahead and open up and create an additional income stream and not only be a user of SMS Phone Leads, but you can resell this for commissions, okay, which I also do, and I've done very, very well. Okay, so this can become an additional income stream in addition to giving you a really simple, powerful, and effective lead generation tool that you can use for whatever business that you're in, incorporating and implementing both ringless and SMS marketing. Okay, so we go here. This is the link that you get, and this is all coded to you. And you can read through this. I'm going to pop in my link below because I've had a lot of people hitting me up recently wanting information. So in all of my videos, I always put my link to whatever I am referring to, in this case, SMS Phone Leads. So just drop down in the description, and it's going to be smsphoneleads.com/Marybeth A, and for only $37 you can get started. Okay, super affordable, and then you can always upgrade into the additional versions, which I will show you here momentarily. But what you want to do is smsphoneleads.com/Marybeth A. Okay, you'll come in, you'll review everything, all these options, all these wonderful features for this great lead generation tool called SMS Phone Leads. It explains exactly what is SMS Phone Leads right here. So you just want to read all this carefully, work your way down and read everything in full in its entirety so that you fully understand and grasp all of the information on this interactive phone funnel. Okay, and here's all the wonderful benefits of this amazing product, so you can definitely take your time and go through that. Who can use SMS Phone Leads? It's all mapped out right here, very simply stated, giving you a wonderful example. Okay, and then you come down here, can I teach you a trick that will easily trigger more inbound conversations with pre-qualified prospects? So you can read all about that with the case study. Where's the money? So it shows you exactly what to do, how to sign up, that's your first step, how to collect the money, and then how to get paid. 3 simple steps. And this is the blueprint in the diagram on the money flows to you like this. So you can start front end, $37, earn 100% commissions. You can also add the optional automate $37 sales. This is a info product here that will give you additional information and additional benefits on this amazing tool. So you can pick that up if you want to. It's optional. And then here is Upsell 1 and Upsell 2. Upsell 1 is the ringless software that you can purchase for $100 and resell it and earn 50% commissions, okay, on every ringless software sale that comes in once you become a product user and purchase it for $100. Okay, you earn 50% commissions. The second upsell is the SMS Blaster. This is, again, what I'm using consistently all week long. I just absolutely love it. I'm very much an SMS person, and I've just had really, good results and a whole lot of success with text message marketing. So this is, my passion right here. And you can pick this up for $37 a month and then earn 50% residual commissions on this particular product here. And you can blast out either 200 a day or 1,000 a day. And I believe there's even one upsell upgrade after that. But right now I'm at the 1,000. So I can take this and, you do some simple math, folks. That is, we're talking volumes, because you can use this 7 days a week, 30 days out of the month, 1,000 a day. That's 30,000 new prospects you could be reaching with your text message, daily for whatever home-based business that you want. Like I said, I've largely been using this predominantly for TextBot AI, and it has served me very, very well. And I'm going to continue along that path. Okay. Here's today's price. You can get started with this, $37 one time, and then start to resell it. Create your account right here, and then you want to go ahead and you'll have these upsell options for ringless and or SMS, the Blaster. Okay, and here's how about some kick butt bonuses to go along with your order. You can go through here and check out bonus number 1, the Vault of SMS training, and bonus 2 is the SMS voice. Bonus 3 is to customize a custom branded story page that connects you to your prospects. So you can check all of these out in their entirety. Bonus 4 is how to make instant sales via live stream. Bonus 5 is the $116.50 plus $19.50 month instant commission funnel that you can pick up and resell the entire gamut of options and products and services for SMS phone leads. And this is bonus number 6. You can get, it shows you how to get 200 SMS credits. Bonus 7 is the gap approach. And then here's all of the frequently asked questions Q&A that you can check out. And go ahead and review everything, all the bonuses in summary right here. And then step 1 is you'll click here to create your SMS phone leads account. Okay, so there's that, and here's some wonderful testimonials. Even if you're not 100% convinced, definitely check all these out. These are real people who have had real results and real success, like myself, with this amazing product called SMS Phone Leads. This is just a really simple and very cost efficient and powerful way to get your offer, any offer of your choice, any online home-based business or offline business, in front of thousands of people for pennies on the dollar. Okay, and it's all about consistency, folks. Okay, this is something you can definitely add to your marketing strategies, to your marketing mix, to your daily method of operations. Have fun with it, and also watch your business grow and prosper as well with success. Okay, because it's all about leads, folks. Leads are the lifeblood of every single business out there, and this is a really easy, very cost efficient, viable way to get an ample supply of leads and get your offer in front of thousands of people at the push of a button for pennies on the dollar. So hopefully this information has you excited. Just go ahead, check it all out here, and this is where you log into your account when you become a member. If you need support, you just contact support right here. They are super responsive, and yeah, $37 one time gets you started, no monthly payments. And then of course you have other options that you can upgrade to and really kick this into high gear. So go ahead, check it out, smsphoneleads.com/Marybeth A, and I'll put my TextBot link below here, as well as my Exodus Elite link. So you can check out those 2 income streams that I absolutely love. I'm having great success with both of them. One is a small ticket and the other one is a high ticket program. So go ahead and check it all out. You know how to reach me. I will put my mobile number below in the description. You have any questions, just text me or call me. Be more than happy to talk to you, help you to get set up, answer any questions, and I will hopefully see you on the inside of this wonderful lead generation tool here very, very soon. So thank you for spending the last 17, 18 minutes with me, and make it a great day. Enjoy the rest of your week and have a great rest of the month. Before you know it, folks, the holidays will be here. There's no better time than to get your seeds planted and get your marketing into gear, because we are going to be coming up on a brand new year here sooner than we realize. I don't even know where 2020 went. It just kind of went by really, really fast. And 2021 is going to be a brand new year, folks. So this is a great way to start off on a clean, fresh slate, building the business of your choice with a great marketing system. So thank you very much, and we'll be back at you very, very soon. Thank you, and bye-bye.